close your eyes and imagine yourself surrounded by adorable kittens. Picture them frolicking around you, playing with balls of yarn, and cuddling up against your legs. Feel their soft fur brush against your skin, and the gentle vibrations of their purrs resonating through your body. As you immerse yourself in the presence of these sweet kittens, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Release any tension in your muscles and allow yourself to sink into a state of deep relaxation. Imagine the cozy atmosphere of a room filled with kittens, and let their playful energy soothe and calm your mind. Let your thoughts drift away, and allow the warm and fuzzy feeling of the kittens to envelop you. Imagine them nuzzling against you, rubbing their little noses on your cheeks, and offering their playful presence as a source of comfort. Breathe deeply and visualize the kittens as they doze off, one by one. Watch as they close their eyes and snuggle up in their cozy beds, purring softly. Feel the peaceful energy of their slumber, and allow it to envelop you in a sense of calm and serenity. As you continue to breathe deeply and imagine the adorable kittens, you'll feel your mind and body becoming more relaxed and at ease. You'll find yourself drifting off into a deep and restful sleep, filled with the warmth and comfort of the sweet kittens. Allow the images of these lovable creatures to transport you to a world of peace and tranquility. Sink deeper into a state of relaxation with each breath, and let the kittens guide you towards a restful and rejuvenating night's sleep. As you slowly close your eyes, take a moment to acknowledge the power of these lovely kittens in bringing about a sense of peace and relaxation. Carry this feeling with you throughout your sleep, knowing that you can always return to the playful and comforting energy of these furry little friends whenever you need to find inner peace and calmness. The softness of their fur is like a warm blanket enveloping you with comfort. You can feel their playful spirit and it lifts your mood. You feel like you are a part of the playful games and it fills you with joy. Their contentment is contagious and you can't help but feel relaxed in their presence. The gentle sound of their purrs vibrates throughout your body, bringing you peace and calmness. With every breath, you feel your mind and body becoming lighter and more at ease. You feel a sense of gratitude for these adorable creatures that bring you so much comfort. The warmth of their presence fills you with a sense of peace and tranquility. You feel a deep sense of relaxation in their company, as if all your worries have melted away. You can almost hear the sound of their playful meows and feel the weight of their small bodies on your lap. Your breathing slows down, becoming deeper and more even, as you become more relaxed in their company. You feel your body sinking into the soft, cozy bed, like a warm and welcoming embrace. As you inhale, you feel the positive energy of the kittens flowing into your body, filling you with warmth and comfort. You feel a sense of safety and security in their company, as if nothing could harm you. You allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, soaking in the warmth and comfort of the sweet kittens. Your mind wanders to thoughts of playful and happy kittens. Kittens chasing toy mice, pouncing on each other, and cuddling up for a nap. These delightful images fill you with a sense of joy and relaxation, as you let go of any stress or tension you may be feeling. You feel your muscles become more relaxed with each passing moment, and your mind becomes more still. You imagine yourself petting their soft fur, and feeling their warm bodies against your skin. This brings a sense of peace and contentment, and you feel your worries and cares drifting away. You feel a sense of connection and affection for these adorable creatures, as you bask in their playful and loving energy. As you slowly drift off to sleep, you feel a renewed sense of calm and tranquility, knowing that the sweet kittens are always there to bring you comfort and joy.